Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Land Rover Defender, gloss black paint. Originally changed to the paint protection film known as matte or stealth. Finishing up this handle real quick, but we're gonna go ahead and shoot the video. So Defender, I'll show you the gloss. Originally we left, like here's your gloss on the inside, and there's your panel, same colors. And obviously everything gets, well, there's some gloss right there. But let's take a quick trip around this guy. Top's done, two-piece roof. It's because it's got a panoramic roof. And then we left the mirrors gloss. These type of accent pieces gloss. Obviously you can't PPF this. This is why it kind of causes us to be systematic about how we're going to put gloss versus matte. So there's some gloss accents that look good in conjunction with the matte finish. So let's take a look here. First thing that happens is all these letters come off, so we can have a clean look so there's no gaps around the letters. And then the hood gets corrected, polished, PPF applied. Once it cures for us, we put the letters back on. It doesn't look like it ever was changed. It looks like a matte paint job. Fender, same thing. And hood, we make sure we wrap all the way in, not leaving gaps from this. This will not come off unless you have to get new pieces, or it's taped in basically, and it would probably cause it to warp. Everything here gets wrapped in, everything goes under here, so we got nice seamless edges. We don't want to have gloss black showing. This piece stays gloss. You're not wrapping in here, so we left the whole piece gloss. We covered it with gloss PPF for the protection, just like the mirrors. And then this section, it goes in 3. So, well, actually 4. Those are in separate sections. And then the roof front piece folds all the way into the windshield, coming along that pillar up top, fully wrapped in underneath, fully wrapped in up top, wraps into this view window, and coming back here, this piece fully wrapped in. And then this we chose to do in stealth because we can do the whole back end in a stealth finish, including the tire cover. And you'll see these are, you can't wrap these in. These are just, if you do, they're gonna eventually peel. So we covered the face, the letters, and then left these gloss. So it kind of pops either way. I'm gonna finish this handle up right here. It's all custom. I'll trim this off. We left these letters, put these letters back. So I took the wheel off, obviously. So everything's done real nice. Everything's wrapped in fully. Looks great. Fuel port, doors fully wrapped 100%. And the quarter panel all the way under, this piece as well. This is all done in gloss PPF. Gloss PPF. The face of the handles are matte. The tops are gloss, just to go in conjunction with these pieces. So there it is, 2025 Land Rover Defender, Xpel's stealth paint protection film, also known as a matte finish, fully guaranteed, 10 years in writing, self-heals against scratching, scuffing, and it's for rock protection, obviously, never waxing. So there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas, clearbrownorthdallas.com, emails clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com. I'm Brent, thanks for watching, take care.